Oh my God, where'd you go? Why are you on my porch?
What is your name?
Why does that matter? What? What are you doing? My name's Michelle. What's your name? Nick? That's a nice name! Please, distance. Nick? It's nice to meet you, Nick. Pretty feminine. Long ponytail. Nice blue girly plaid shirt. Please stop following me. I see you like your hair. Where are you going and what are you doing? Nick? Nick! Get back here! Nick! Where are you going?